Okay, so one of my little addictions is watching the TV show The First 48. How many of you watched The First 48? Oh, good. Okay, so it's a show about homicide detectives, and they show up and investigate a murder, and then they're interviewing the family, and somebody in the family always says, well, you know, he was at the wrong place at the wrong time, okay? It's kind of like real estate. You're gonna make more money in real estate if you're at the right place, not at the right time, but if you're at the right place all the time. I notice when real estate agents aren't making money, where are they? Well, they're in their car driving around. They're looking at their phone, doing all kinds of social media stuff. Maybe you're watching this phone, this video is on your phone on social media, but that's different, believe me. But they're always in the wrong place at the wrong time for a money-making opportunity in real estate. So where is the right place? Well, perhaps it would be calling your sphere of influence, asking for referrals proactively. Maybe it would be cold calling up and down the street through neighborhoods, asking people if they want to sell their house. Maybe it would be door knocking if the weather was permitting. Perhaps it would be calling for sale by owners, or calling expireds, or holding open houses. That's where you're going to make the big bucks in real estate, and anybody who tells you it's something else, they're either stupid or they're a con man trying to sell you some stuff. So at Fearless Agent, we make people rich by making sure you're in the right place, not at the right time. You're in the right place all the time. Did you hear my dog sneeze? It's not gonna, don't worry about that. We'll cut that out later. So I want you to make more money than you ever dreamed was possible. So you can call me anytime. First of all, subscribe right here at fearlessagent.tv. Go to fearlessagent.com in the upper right-hand corner. Just click on the webinar, watch. It's like a free test drive to find out what our coaching is like. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and subscribe to that. Either way, we want to make sure you are a fearless agent. Thanks.